Hello, this is Vasili Grobonobovich, and I'm scared. Skeeter decided to take me to a soft air game. Oh, I'm so excited we get to go to a soft air game. I've never been to one before. This will be so fun. What's this for? So yeah. They have guns. It's not soft. And then the other people were just being crazy.
Look at it, don't go redneck. Die, suckers, die.
Lock and load, ladies! There, ladies? It's like a boy, but it's fake.
That's the end of that, sucker.
For the motherland! And then there's some people who just take it way too seriously.
One bullet away, Vasili. We're done for. Look out, shit!
Ah!
Eat that!
And some people get a little carried away. Ah! So what is moving?
That's the end of that, sucker.
That was your teammate!
Ah!
Get down, kitty! There's some people who are pretty scared. And then there are other people who are more glory seekers. Ah! They're going to kill us. They got like 5 million guys out there. Until next time, this is Vasili Grobonobovich. Ah! But it's a bit more safer.